Today we're going to show you a room tour of the available rooms here at Anantara Kihavah. While we were here, we had the opportunity to check out both the beach villa options that they have as well as the overwater villas.
We hope that this helps you make a decision about which room type to book for your vacation. Today we're in a beach villa with a pool, so let's go take a look. The first thing you'll notice are the bicycles. The bikes are actually customized with our names on them. Isn't that just like the cutest thing you've ever seen? While the island is small, it's really nice to be able to go around without a buggy on your bicycle. And we are in room 112 today. The first thing you'll notice about the room itself is the entryway. It is just stunning, and this is just one of the coolest features about the room, but there are so many more to explore, including the tropical garden in our pathway here. So this whole space is actually the villa. And the front door is on the side with the pool in it. You can see our walkway is sand, just like the beach. We are in a very private grove here with our dining table, massive pool, beach chairs inside the pool, and access to the beach directly from our villa here. And of course, the nice lounge chair. But on to the fun stuff. Gorgeous king bed, absolutely beautiful welcome message as you walk in the door. This faces out towards our pool and the beach beyond. Absolutely love it. I'm personally very jet lagged, so I can't wait to dive in. You'll also see a little game set, which I think is a really cute touch. Even during COVID, they give you these cute games that you can play at night. We also have a nice gift from the hotel. Thank you so much. A cute little hat and a beach bag. I love what they've done with the decor in the room. Everything feels really personalized, like these books and the art pieces, even the candles. This desk will be shortly covered with all of our camera gear. Very exciting. They actually produce their own water on property, both still and sparkling, so you can get as much as you want. They make it here on the island. We also have our full minibar, an espresso machine, which we know I love, and a wine fridge. So the wine and the minibar items are for a charge, but they are accessible directly in your room. And then the last thing to point out is the TV. Why you would watch TV on vacation, I have no idea, but if that's something you're into, go right ahead. And now my favorite part of the entire room is actually coming this way. Of course, besides the his and her closets, because who doesn't love that on vacation? But the bathroom is really one of the coolest parts about this room. We often talk about the difference between beach villas and overwater villas. You won't get this in an overwater villa. So we actually have two showers, one indoor shower, which you can see is just stunning. But we also have an outdoor shower. Everything is actually set over the water here, which also has the organic products. It is biocompatible, and they also make it here on the island. My last favorite feature, I swear this is the last one, is the bathtub. Absolutely beautiful. Cannot wait to take a bath here tonight. Maybe a cooling bath, because it is quite hot. And then you do have access to the outside from inside the bathroom as well. And of course, the lounge area. This is our beach villa with a pool, so we hope you enjoy it. The second room we are looking at the Anantara Kihavah is the 2-bedroom family beach pool villa. This is great for families. It's also great for friends. Let's go check it out. This was recently renovated, and they did a completely new deck and expanded the pool. And it is actually a dream villa. I mean, check out this outdoor area. And you have direct access to the beach. So if you're here with kids, if you're here with friends, this is probably one of the prime villas on property. They even have added an amazing little barbecue area. You can see if you want the chef to come and cook for you, or you can cook for yourself. They can bring you the food you need. You can just hang out in this beautiful little barbecue area. This is probably my favorite outdoor dining spot in this villa. You also have a dining table if that's more your style, but let's head inside. The first room is the primary room. This is a king bed, very much like the standard villas, like our beach pool villa today. It has a great king bed, sitting area, nice big television, full mini bar, all the amenities. And similar to the beach pool villa as well, the his and her closets, and the amazing outdoor bathroom, which was, again, my favorite part. The really nice thing about Anantara as well is it is a natural island, so they were able to keep all of the palm trees and all of the growth from the island before they built the hotel. So you'll notice in this bathroom they have things like the palm trees sticking out, which doesn't exist in all of the rooms. Let's continue. So through the closet, one of the closets, you'll see there's an added extension room. This is great if you have extra kids or traveling with friends. This does convert into a bed. It's also can be used as a dressing room or extra day use area. This leads into another closet, and this is going to be the second bedroom. So you're going to see 2 double beds here. Great for kids, great for friends. We'll take a look at that in a second, but what you'll notice here is the bathroom. The bathroom is completely different on this side. So if you are traveling with kids, they decided to forgo the water feature and keep it a little bit safer for the little ones. The absolute favorite part here is this bathtub. This is like a miniature pool. It's insane. And then you have the same outdoor shower and all of the amenities as you would have in the other bathroom. So finally, let's take a look at the beds. I would not mind taking this room myself. The beds look insanely comfortable and have this amazing view, and the doors open up completely to the outside in both bedrooms. So this is a really nice option if you're traveling with friends, family, and just need a little bit more space and privacy. Welcome to the third beach villa we're looking at today. This is the 2-bedroom beach pool residence. This is part of their residence collection. It's super exclusive and it is amazing. You can tell here in the main room we have an entirely different layout from every other room we've looked at so far. We have a full dining room, living room, and full kitchen. So much like in the last room we saw, you here have access to a full suite of options, like a chef can come and cook on your outdoor barbecue, or in your kitchen, or you can cook for yourself. And outside is my favorite part of this room. We have a massive pool, massive deck that spans the entire mansion that we are standing in. There is a king room on one side, there's a double room on the other. We're gonna start on this side this time because there's some exciting bonuses that come with the residence. You can see as well, it's super private. We're in a very lush area. You can do just about anything you want because no one's looking at you. Much like in the other villas here, we have that same double room, same beautiful bath in the back, just like in the standard beach pool villas that we have. But next to the double room is a private gym. So now you're obligated to work out on your vacation. But how nice is that? Especially during COVID, when who wants to go to the gym with other people? You have a full set of weights and some cardio equipment. And on top of that, you also have access to a little spa room as well. If the Overwater spa is not for you, they'll come to you and you get your treatments here, which absolutely love that. Much like the 2-bedroom that we were looking at earlier in the video, we do also have a full grill set up with the little outdoor dining area, as well as a pool with jets and a dining table. And on the far other side of our villa here today is the king primary bedroom. This looks just like our beach villas with some upgraded furnishings and amenities within it. And it feels like a very private bedroom, so if you're traveling with family or friends, you have a private retreat here. And just like with the other beach villas that we've seen, the his and hers closet, as well as just the most beautiful bathrooms. And that concludes our beach collection here today. We are also excited to share the Overwater residences and villas, which we'll get to next. So today we are looking at the water collection. So all of the villas over the water, primarily they are the water villas with pools, which are the standard rooms, as well as a couple of residences. Here's ours, so let's take a look. You'll notice that these are actually so big from the entryway, and they have a very similar door beach villa. You have the 2 bicycles that are available for every room. Every member of the family gets a bike. And you'll see just straight through is stunning blue. We have a nice big mini bar, pretty much exactly like the beach villas have. And we'll take a look here at the his and hers closets. Again, similar to the beach villa, they're a little bit smaller since they are over water. And a very large bathroom. So they spared no expense on the bathroom square footage. We have an incredible tub with a glass bottom. You'll see this feature in every water villa on property. as well as a interior shower, an exterior shower with a waterfall, and a very cool feature where you can see the fish. Actually, yesterday I saw a ray swimming underneath the shower while I was in it. You got the his and her sinks, the toilet room, and my favorite feature of this room is the fact that the entire window opens all the way up into the wall. So you have direct access to the pool from every room in this villa. So let's continue. You'll find the same minibar amenities in every room as well, regardless of room type. And the bedroom, stunning, massive, and full access to both the pool and the patio here. It's a beautiful king bed, sitting area, TV tucked in the corner. Again, not sure why you'd want to watch TV when you have a view like this. And a very cool feature I actually like that they did is the hammock netting. What you'll find in a lot of water villas is they either have a pool or the hammock. They rarely have both. And here you have 3 to choose from. So this is our water villa. I'm gonna go take a dip and enjoy the view. We are now in the water residence collection. We're so excited to show you this Overwater residence. There are 2 bedrooms, king beds, and the double rooms. It is just like the beach residence, except we are Overwater, obviously, and it comes with the same amenities. So let's check it out. Beautiful entryway here, much like the beach residence had. And you've got the full living room and kitchen area, fully stocked for guests upon arrival. They fully stock it with plates, dishes, everything you need for your stay. What you'll see here is that everything has a complete and perfect ocean view. You got the dining set, you got a massive pool, and you got all these nice water elements here since there are gaps in the decking. And the layout's a little bit different than the beach villa. You're gonna have the gym on one side, the spa on the other. I mean, who would want to work out in your private Overwater villa? So you got the full cardio set, same weight set as in the beach villa, just a perfect view of the ocean as well. And next door here we have the double room. So this is where kids, friends, family can all stay. You'll see, just like in the beach villa, beautiful furnishings. And the bathroom's gonna be very much the same. The only difference is gonna be the shape of the tub. It's got some jets in it and that same Overwater view, just absolutely gorgeous. But everything else looks very much similar. They've kept the same style, which is super nice and consistent across the entire property. So now let's head over to the other side where we'll show you the king room. On this side, you're gonna find the spa. It's a little bit different than the beach residence. A bit of a larger spa room with a beautiful view of the lagoon as well for your private spa treatments. And lastly, my favorite room is the big room. Same layout as the double room here. You're gonna have a beautiful king bed, all of the furniture, and the same exact bathroom and his and hers closet. So even if you're not coming with kids, you're coming with friends, no one's really missing out in this case. The same exact bathroom, just the opposite configuration. So this is the ocean residence. It is absolutely stunning. Let us know which ones are your favorites in the comments. Are you a beach person or a water person? Personally, I think I'd choose the water villa just because when else do you get this? We hope that this helped you make a decision about what type of room to book for your vacation. In the end, you can't really go wrong.
And of course, if you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more hotel reviews as well as room tours. We have done a full review of the Anantara Kihavah as well, which you can check out linked up here in the top corner. And for more information about the Maldives and any of the other hotels that we've stayed at, be sure to go and check out our website at voyagerguru.com, where we have full destination pages for each of the destinations we go, including all of the hotel reviews and videos that we've done while we're there.
And be sure to follow us on Instagram at Voyager Guru, and for daily tips, check out our TikTok at Voyager Guru. And as always, I'm Maren.
And I'm Max.
And we're Voyager Guru. See you out there.